In this episode, we want to show how to shape a half shell. In the first step, we start to beat a metal sheet, creating a significant curvature. For the start off, the aluminium sheet is being annealed. This makes the metal soft and highly malleable. We have shown the process of annealing in an earlier episode. After the metal has cooled off, the edge of the blade is gradually shrinked at constant intervals. This pulls the edge up and the result is a plate-like foam. On a sandbag, the plate is now evenly driven with a round hard wooden mallet. The sheet metal is now heavily stretched and takes the form of a shell. Wrinkles that are brought into the shape on the edge due to the stretching are repeatedly corrected by hand. The plate is beaten until a unique shape rises. If a significant irregularity turns up, it will be processed again. Although the form looks very rough and dented, the shell can now be smoothed out either on a round anvil with a smoothing hammer or on an English wheel. To do this, an appropriate wheel must be selected. The wheel must fit exactly to the shape of the shaped shell. The metal shell is now being run through the wheels with medium pressure on the wheels. Bit by bit, the sheet is smoothed in the English wheel. We can save the time for the final smoothing, because the metal shaping is processed further from here on. It is already a clearly curved shape, but there are still some steps up to the final product. We will show these steps in the next episode.